Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's been a minute, but I think I'm gonna get back on this. So today, hands are dirty. Got a GoPro. My girl bought it for me. Shout out to her. So today, what we're gonna be doing today is working on her. As you can see right there, gonna do an oil change on her. Right now, I'm just checking out her suspension because it's shot completely. I already have brand new parts on the way from 1A Auto. Upper control arms, lower control arms, this piece, these. So basically everything that needs to be changed out so the truck can have a better ride quality. I'm gonna do that. But as for today, all I'm gonna work on is oil change. Yeah, I know this looks hideous, but that's the price you pay when you get tubs done. But I mean, I gotta start working on her again, so I'll probably end up tucking all these wires away, all this away, finding a way how to hide it so it's not exposed like it is right now. Another thing I found out is the back. I'm gonna buy brand new shocks, but the thing is, this truck, it's old, it's done for, you know. When I did the drop, I cut out the inside tub and I put in this plastic bed liner just so you wouldn't be able to see them. But what I've noticed is that in any kind of motion that it does, that bed liner just wobbles. So what I'm probably gonna do is take it off, and I'll probably end up getting tubs done about, you know, yay big or whatever, or get some originals welded on there, who knows. But yeah guys, stick around, I'll show you guys how I do this oil change. Alright, so well, the rest of that drips out, whatever. Here we have the new oil filter. I don't know how many people do it, you know. I tend to do this, but usually I'll fill up the filter, and what I'll do is I'll get some oil and rub it around the O-ring, the rubber gasket that it has, and then I'll install it. What up, folks? Alright guys, so now we have all this oil filter screwed back in. What you want to do is, look at that, man, that thing's dirty. So what you want to do is, I'm going to put my wheel back, tighten it up, lower the truck down, and then put the oil into the top. Alright, so no funnel needed, you know. I decided to come around this way. and slowly, seems like that's working real good. So I'll just pour all that first quart in there. See, so once you have it in there, guys, you know, just cut it right down the middle right there, and then you can use this as a funnel itself. I'll show you guys right now. That's what I'm about to do. Alright, hold on. Alright, so I ended up cutting almost close to the end, just so that I can have this higher up for when I pour the oil. It's not so low and gives me a greater chance of missing, you know. But I mean, it sits in there pretty snug, so you don't have to worry about it popping off. And as well, like I said, you know, this probably won't be a bother for you guys, only because I have the raised up tubs that it's sitting over here because of the guy who built them. You know, I'm not gonna get into detail about that, but yeah, guys, over here we have this. So we can go in, start to pour. What I like to do is just drop it in there, no leaking on the bottom, because that one quart sits in there nice. Let's see where we at here. We'll go down to about this line right here, and then we'll check it. Just a little bit more. Oh, almost spilled some out. As you guys can see, you know, it's down there now. We'll pull out the dipstick, check it, and you guys will see right now why it is that I get the 6 quarts. Oh, hold on. I don't know if you guys can see it, but you know, it's barely at that first dot, so it needs another good amount, which should be that quart that I'm about to spill in there right now. So hold on, let's see. So that's in there. Let me set this down real quick, guys, so I can check it out. Clean it off real quick. Back in. There we go. Perfect, all the way down. See? 6 quarts, guys. What you need. So yeah, you know, oil change on the truck, quick update on what I'm gonna do with the suspension, and yeah, guys, basically done for today. Thanks for sticking around. More videos will be coming up soon. You know, I had a bunch of things going on that I couldn't keep up with these, but if you're still a follower, you're still subscribed, you know, you hit that bell notification. I appreciate you guys so much. Have a great day.